So this is the Mini, and the reason we're looking at it today is because at DJ Expo this year, centerpiece lighting was something people were talking an awful lot about. Now, although the Mini was not created for centerpiece lighting, it works pretty well for it. You can take the RF remote control and turn it on and off. You can adjust the brightness. So if the light's too bright with the remote, you can go ahead and bring that brightness down. And the remote's good for about 100 feet. No point and shoot, this is RF. You can also put the light in music mode. Now this will work with all of your other Ape lights, and it's incredibly water resistant. So I took it outside while it was raining today, but by the time I set the camera up, it had stopped raining. So I took the garden hose and gave it a good spray. So again, although it's not made for centerpiece lighting, it works pretty well for that purpose. You can use it for uplighting as well. Works with all of your other Ape lights. You get the RF remote, you get the quad LED diode with the color macros, and if you compare the prices to some of the other things out there that are specifically made for centerpiece lighting, you'll see that this comes in at considerably less. So there's just a quick video for you today. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching, practice, and enjoy.